Hey guys, I'm Trent Brigner, Director of Sales over at Heartland Fifth Wheels. Today I want to show you our all-new 39TB Milestone. Starting at the front of the unit, you'll notice that we have the Rhino pin box. This unit is full profile, so what that means for you guys is extra interior height. We're also wide body, so it's 102 inches wide, so we're maximizing height and width, maximizing square footage. So that's standard in all the Milestone lineup. Working our way towards the back, you'll notice you'll have front storage right here, but will also be standard with hydraulic auto level. So superior strength, durability, does really well on uneven surfaces, so that's going to be standard on the lineup. Standard, you'll have two 30-pound propane tanks. Now moving to the pass-through storage. So with this being a drop frame, we're also gaining the storage in the pass-throughs. We have in the 39TB, you will have standard the Halo griddle. So this is a 2-zone cooktop. It's awesome. So one of the cool things and safety features on this as well, you can't put this unit in without flipping this up. This makes sure that you remember to cut off your gas line and disassemble it before putting it away for storage. So one of the awesome safety features that we have in the Milestone lineup. Now working the way towards the back, you'll have your solid entry steps with the extended grab handle so you don't have to reach up. It's very easy to access your door. Now one of the things I want to talk about on the side of the Milestone is our vacuum bonded sidewalls. So these are the strongest sidewalls in the industry. It goes through a very thorough process on how we laminate this versus pinch rolling, which a lot of our competitors do to their sidewalls. So standard in all the Milestone lineup, our sidewalls are vacuum bonded. One of the other things that you'll notice on the side of the coach is our automotive tinted windows. Not only does this help keep your unit cool, but it also helps with the UV lights coming in the coach. We also pair that with the privacy shades on the inside so you can keep the sun outside of your coach. Now, working our way down the coach, you're gonna have G-rated tires standard in the Milestone. You're also gonna have two huge awnings on this as well, so maximizing the shade on the side of this coach. Now working our way towards the back of this coach. Now you'll notice 102 inches wide, so we are wide body in the Milestone lineup, as mentioned before, but this being a double suite, you will have two entries with solid steps. You'll also have the ladder, and one of the things I want to talk about too is our roof system. So we run the Trust XL roof system. Our roofs have been tested up to 4,500 pounds, making us have one of the strongest roofs in the industry. Let's go check out the inside. So now we're on the inside of the Milestone 39TB. Couple things I want to talk about is the solar package on here. So standard, it comes with our Power Up 1 package. That's a 200 watt panel, 1800 watt inverter, and a 30 amp charge controller. This can be upgraded to our Power Up 2 package, which is an additional 200 watt panel. A couple other things I want to touch on. We have a barreled roof, so we have good water runoff that'll run off the side of the coach when it's raining or anything like that, so it doesn't stay stagnant up on the top. And the other thing too, we have a 3-year structural warranty on this coach and all of the units in the Heartland lineup, so another nice peace of mind when you're going down the road. The other thing with this being the 39TB, this is our dual suite in this lineup. So let's go check it out in the back of the coach. So starting back here, we'll have a full bathroom. So like I said before, it is a dual suite. So you're gonna have a medicine cabinet with a sink, a porcelain toilet, and you'll also have a tub and a shower back here. Now moving into the second bedroom in this coach, you're gonna have a queen size bed, his and hers closets, and you'll have also tons of storage on here. And one of the things you'll notice is the dovetail drawers. We do this throughout the entire coach. Very residential, we build them in-house, so we have our microscope over the quality. So one of the other awesome features with the Milestone is no vents in the floor. So easy to clean, no vents that are collecting any of the pet hair or the dust or anything like that that can get gathered in there. So you're getting a solid floor all the way throughout. So another thing that you'll get in the 39TB is a loft. So additional sleeping and storage if needed. Now, in this main living area, what I love about this floor plan is you get directional seating across from the TV. So you got a 5-seater sofa. You'll also have extra cup holders here with your 110 outlet and your USB charging ports. And then going into that, sitting directly across from your entertainment system, you'll also have this hidden pantry. One of the things I like about this, with mops and brooms and everything that are very tough to store just because of the height, that allows you to store them in this hidden pantry. You also have overhead cubby storage, and you'll also have pull-out drawer storage as well. So this is going to be standard in the Milestone lineup. Now you'll have your TV, your sound system, and your fireplace. That's also going to be standard in all of the floor plans. Now going into the kitchen, we have this awesome butcher block countertop. This also has an extension on it as well for additional seating or prep space when you're cooking. The other thing with this lineup, you're going to have very residential appliances. So solid surface countertops into your 3-burner cooktop. You'll have your oversized oven with your storage, so tons of storage in this unit. You also have your utensil dividers in here as well. Residential microwave, and then going into the 12-volt refrigerator. So this is a French stored refrigerator. It's very residential. Now the nice thing with this refrigerator is it can run off of the solar package that comes standard in the Milestone lineup. So now going into the sink area, so you're gonna have a stainless steel sink. You'll have storage underneath here. Here is access to your fuse panel, and then you'll have storage underneath here for pots and pans, more storage for pots and pans if needed. So above the sink, you'll also have your overhead storage here. So one of the cool things too in the Milestone lineup, the doors and drawers are all hardwoods, making them very durable, residential, and another nice feature that the Milestone has to offer. Now going up to the master suite, you'll have a 30 by 48 inch shower, so a huge shower. You'll have a porcelain toilet, and then you'll also have linen storage as well. So you can never have enough storage in the bathrooms. Drawer storage here, and then storage underneath your sink as well. But in both of the bathrooms, you also have this medicine cabinet. So another awesome feature. One of the cool things too that I like about this floor plan is how we do our pocket doors. A lot of our competitors will have 2 doors that'll open up, kind of making the hallway very crowded. With this being a pocket door, it makes it an easy entry and exit of the bathroom and your master suite. So going into the master suite, king size bed will be standard. So you're gonna have a residential king size bed, your privacy shades, our huge wardrobe. So you'll have cubby storage in the front cap here. You'll also have hanging rod space. And then on this off door side, you'll have more cubby storage as well. So tons of storage in the wardrobe. Now with the Milestone lineup being very family friendly, washer and dryer is a big thing. So every single floor plan will be washer dryer prep. You can do the stackable or the combo, whichever one you choose, but you'll have that standard in all of the Milestone lineup. You'll also have the wardrobe, so you have deep pocket wardrobe storage as well, and then it's also prepped for a TV. One of the things I want to talk about too, like I said before, this being full profile, you're getting that extra interior height. So I'm 6'3", if that helps with this video on how actually tall it is in here. So for more information on the 39TB, check us out at heartlandrvs.com.